Alright guys, once again this is Jing or Papa G. So guys, the time has come, no, na papunta na tayo, papasok na tayo sa Ray Alexander's farm, no. So before that, maybe a month ago, nag-text na ako sa kanya asking nag-ask ng appointment, and then I asked her, Riandra, if I could have a personally used na hen. So she told me na meron daw. Okay. So papasok na tayo diyan, no. So yung atmosphere ba, no. So parang creepy ba, no, sa akin. Sorry for the word, but I feel like mixed emotions, no. Parang hindi ko ma-explain ba, no. Napapasok ako sa nakita ko yung mga bar na lumang bar, yung mga TV, mga luma pa. So parang andyan si Sir Ray Alexander nakaabang. So parang talaga, iba yung parang sa Jumper Farms yung na-feel ko, kasi nababasa natin yan, no. Nababasa natin yan sa Grit and Steel magazine, sa Gamecock magazine, yung bata pa ako, no. I really idolize those, and my dad also, no, yung papa ko. So dyan makita natin ang maliit na lake, no, parang lake mansion yung bahay, no. So iba talaga, no. So yun. So paano pa park na tayo? Okay. So yan yung text ko sa kanya. So okay siya, no. And let's listen to this.
Daddy always said you're gonna choose Miss Universe.
Okay, look where it.
That's a Miss Universe right there, in my opinion. Look how
She's yellow leg or what?
No, she's white.
Oh, she's white.
Curly white legs.
Yeah.
I mean, they almost kind of look identical, but just she's got, I guess, the white ears more. This one doesn't. So you gotta feel their body, breastbone, and all that stuff. She's bigger chested.
Yeah.
She's a lot like taller. So if I were you, I would choose that one.
This one?
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. I'll
Yeah,
take
I would
Miss
choose
Universe. This
So
is Miss Universe.
she's right out, so we need to get something. Well, the tags won't be the same. We'll put it back, and then we'll find your. Now, Daddy said to pick the one. I should wear it, but the dad is spangled. See, normally, now I don't know. Not a whole lot of people know this, and they like the high station, but Griffin Clarence are actually medium station. You know what I mean? Like people that would tell me, I want the highest station Clarence.
So basically,
For that.
medium station. Sabi niya, medium station talaga yung typical na Griffin Claret. Okay? So next video na naman yung yung lalaki sa pagpili natin. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Thank you.